Hi everyone. Today I'm making some super tasty chickpea nuggets. They're crispy, healthy, and completely plant based. Let's get started. Now let's make our sauce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Enjoy your meal.